Welcome everybody, we're here today at the Deming Luna Museum. There is one other word in there that I probably can't pronounce, Minbrus, something like that. Anyway, right out front here is Veterans Park. You can see some kind of a gun, some memorials, things like that. There's a tank. Looks like a mining cart sitting up there. So we're gonna go see if this is open. I have no idea. Can't even imagine being in that for real. Wow. All right, we're gonna go see if this museum is open. Now the building that the museum is in is quite something. Let me back up a little so you can see the building. Look at this building, guys. This is great, isn't it? So it says museum open, entrance through basement. Anybody know where that basement? Oh, there it is. So we're gonna go down. Look at this pot. We're gonna take this, oh, you can take a walking tour through the whole downtown. That's not necessary. We've already driven through almost every one of those streets. So this is an old military building. It's huge. I'm not gonna be able to show you everything. I'm gonna go show you some highlights. So we'll kind of make this a quick video for you.